Today I'm gonna prepare for you some Parmesan chicken. Yes, Parmesan chicken. It's been a while since I made this, so I decided today that's what I'm gonna make. So let me get started. This is the rice, cauliflower rice I made this morning. So this is gonna go along with the Parmesan chicken. So what I added to the skillet here is the cauliflower rice, 2 tablespoons of butter, half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. And it looks good. I haven't tasted it yet, but I will. But what I want to do now is go ahead and start on the Parmesan chicken. Okay, I have 2 whole breasts here. I have cut them in half, and I added some Slap Your Mama's seasoning on it and placed it in the refrigerator overnight. So this is going to have a delicious taste to it. I have added them to the bag here, and I'm gonna pound them down so they're a little thinner because I am gonna cook them a little bit later on the stove and then place them in the oven. So let me just go ahead and do that. And what you wanna do is use this side of the mallet here. So I'm gonna just pound it down, hopefully to get it as thin as I can so it won't take very long to cook. Like you could do this, meal prep this for your family. That way when you come home from work, all you have to do is really just fry them up in a skillet. It won't take you long to do that. So you can do all this prep work prior to making dinner for your family. I think I have gotten them pretty thin, so let's pound that a little bit more. Okay, so what you want to do, especially if you work and you want to start planning your meals for a week or so, by prepping your meat, putting just salt on it, if that's all you like on it, and put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours, and then the next day, that would be your meal for the next day, and so on. I guess because I have owned a restaurant, I always was prepared to prep everything, every day. So that's what you want to get used to, planning great meals, prepping your food for your family. That way you don't have to work so hard when you come home from work. Okay, all right, I think that's good enough. Okay, I have 1 egg here, and I'm gonna dip the chicken in this 1 egg here. Hopefully that's enough. I might have to add another one to it since I got 4 of these, but we will see. I turned on my stove, and I have placed 1/3 cup of avocado oil to the skillet. Now I'm adding about, I would say, a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese to the bag here. So I'm gonna dip the chicken first. I don't want to get my hand in the video there. That way you can see it. Okay, that's 1 piece there. And I'm shaking in this bag here so that the Parmesan cheese will cover it. This is Keto Parmesan chicken. It's got less carbs. Like if you're not really, if you're just watching your carbs, you could cook it this way. You'll end up losing weight just cooking your chicken this way without the flour on it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and place it in a skillet. I'm gonna go ahead and do another one, because I think I can probably can get 2 pieces in that skillet. I will have to add some more Parmesan cheese, so I would say about a cup of Parmesan cheese is enough. Right, let me just add the other 2 pieces of chicken to the bag here. You know, I did something wrong. I put it in the Parmesan cheese first instead of putting it in the egg. In the bowl with the egg. Go ahead and dip the other one in there. So I really just use 1 egg for 2 breasts that I cut in half. So that's all you need. All right, let's get rid of this bowl, the chicken. Okay, now I'm frying the Parmesan chicken in 1/3 cup of avocado oil. So I'm gonna let it cook a little bit on that side, probably, I would say, maybe 4 minutes on each side. You just want to brown them up. You're going to finish cooking them up in the oven. It smells so good in here. I just turned them over. Just going to let them cook a little while, about 4 minutes on this side, so that I can cook the other 2 that I have in the bag. It smells like cheese, Parmesan cheese in here. It smells delicious. While the chicken is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and make my sauce in this pan here. Can of tomato sauce. It is 8 ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix my sauce in this pan here. Clove of garlic. I'm gonna just cut that up. This is what I'm gonna use here. In this can, it has 2 grams of sugar in it. So it's really not that bad. This is the chicken. I just fried up everything. So those are the 4 pieces I started with. And they look very delicious, look very good. So let me get them in the sauce here. I just added some 1/4 teaspoon of thyme and 1 tablespoon of butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the pieces in here. I gotta get some of that sauce to put on top of it, but no worries. I think I can fit them all in here. Gonna be kind of crunched in there, but that's okay. Add this juice to them. It came off the chicken. Okay, I added some of the sauce on top. Now I'm gonna add the provolone cheese to it. Now I'm gonna add the provolone cheese to it. I'm gonna add 2 pieces to each piece of chicken breast. Here's 1 there. Okay. And 1 here to there. This one there. And one there. So it appears that I'm covering all of the chicken, which I am. So this is the keto version. So when I have some basil, I just grabbed some out of my garden and rinsed it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the top of it. It smells so good. Ooh, I love using fresh ingredients. Okay, we're gonna add it to a 450-degree oven until the cheese really melts on it, and we'll take it out of the oven. So I would say about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, I just took it out of the oven, and it looks delicious. I let it stay in the oven for 21 minutes. So I like my cheese to be a little kind of brown like. I like it like that, but if you don't like it like that, take it out probably, I would say, about 18 minutes or less. Okay, so let me give it a taste. I added some rice, cauliflower rice to my plate. Now I'm gonna add the Parmesan chicken to my plate. Ooh, that's really hot. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste. I'm gonna add a little more of the sauce. Not too much, because I don't want to add too many carbs to my plate. It is so good. Can't stop eating it. It's delicious. It's delicious. Cauliflower rice is delicious. If you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. And thanks so much for watching.